If you're a business owner and you're wondering when is the best time to post on Instagram, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Betsy Castro and I'm the founder of Hello Betsy Ann, and I'm also a virtual assistant. One of the services that I provide as a virtual assistant is schedule management, social media scheduling and management. And when I'm trying to post social medias for my clients or even for my own business, I try to post at a time when the followers are the most active. That way I can maximize the post. So I've heard a lot of different things. I've heard some people say that the best time to post it's around lunchtime because people are on their lunch break and that's when they check their social media. I've heard other people say that the best time to post is after 5 p.m. because that's when people are out of work and that's when they're checking their social media. I mean, it could be true. It does kind of make sense. But really, the best time for you to post is when your audience is the most active. So, how do you know when your audience is active? Well, that's what I'm here to teach you. Instagram actually has a free feature that you can use, and it tells you exactly when your audience is active. So, let me show you. Okay, so to take the guesswork out of what time you should post or schedule posts for your social media on Instagram, then the first thing you must do is open up your Instagram account from your phone. Once you open it, you want to make sure that you're in your profile page, that it's your main profile page. And from there, you're gonna tap on the right hand corner where you see this hamburger menu. Once you tap that, you're gonna see settings, archive, and insights. And since right now we're trying to figure out when is the best day and time to post, you figure that out by tapping on the word that says insights. Once you click insights, it'll open up this other area which it gives you a lot of insights. As you can see, it has pictures and it has other numbers over there. Each one has a meaning. The numbers on the picture, it just means how many times a person viewed your photo, your post. But right now we're just trying to figure out when is the best time to post and the best day. So for that, you will have to click on audience where it's on the right hand side. Once you tap adding audience, you're also going to see more graphs. You're going to see some line graphs, you're going to see some bar graphs. Each of this has a different meaning. If you tap on the graphs, it'll give you some numbers of percentages, but each one of this has a different meaning. To figure out when is the best day and time to post, you go all the way to the bottom where it says followers. As you can see, it has the hours, the days, it's a bar graph. On the followers, it has an icon on the right that's the letter A that says icon, I for information. If you tap on that, it basically gives you the information of what this is for. So this is to figure out the average times your followers are on Instagram. So the average hours, it tells you the average time the follower spends on Instagram on a typical day, and the days, it just gives you the best days to that they're on, that they're active. So first we want to figure out the best day. So you will tap on the day on the right hand corner, and as you can see, my audience spends equally, almost pretty much the same amount of time every day across the 7 days out of the week. But from just looking at the graphs, it looks like Monday might be the time that they spend the most. If you tap on the graphs, it tells you the actual number, and as you can see, it's 127. So Monday, it is the day they spend the most time on Instagram, but it's pretty much the same as you can see across. It's only different by a little bit. So now to figure out the hours, you tap where it says hours. We're gonna look for Monday, so where it has a day, you just tap on the arrows next to it and let's find Monday. So Monday, now we're trying to see what time out of Monday is the best time to book. So if I'm just looking at the graphs, it looks like around 3 p.m. might be the time that they spend the most time on Instagram on a Monday. If you tap the graphs, it'll give you an actual number. So let me go ahead and tap it. I don't know why the numbers is not popping up right now. There we go. So it looks like 3 p.m. Yeah, 3 p.m. It's the busiest or the most active my followers are. You can tell that 12 p.m. is also the same, and we can look at different days. Tuesday, It looks like 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. are good times to post. So this is how you will figure out when your audience is spending the most time, what day and what time. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I hope you have a beautiful day full of love and light. Bye.